In the heart of Turin, Italy, lies an architectural marvel that once revolutionized the automotive industry, the Fiat Lingotto factory. As we soar over the Lingotto factory, you're about to uncover its fascinating story and iconic features. Imagine a factory where cars not only came to life, but were tested on a spiraling rooftop track. Yes, you heard that right. The Lingotto factory featured a one-of-a-kind rooftop test track that spiraled up to the building's summit. Designed by architect Giacomo Mattetrucco and completed in 1923, the Lingotto factory was ahead of its time. Its modern design emphasized efficiency with large windows welcoming natural light. Lingotto was more than just a factory, it was a vertically integrated production facility. From metalworking to assembly, painting to testing, everything happened under one roof, streamlining the manufacturing process. Over the years, the Lingotto factory expanded and evolved, becoming a symbol of Fiat's success and innovation. In the late 1970s, Fiat moved production elsewhere, but the Lingotto factory did not fade away. Instead, it transformed into a multifunctional space. Today, the rooftop test track stands as a testament to its rich history, hosting events, exhibitions, and providing a unique experience for visitors. So, as we fly over this iconic Lingotto factory on Google Earth, remember that it's not just a piece of history, but a living, breathing part of Turin's present and future.